Hello guys, welcome to Hello World Coders. Today we're gonna learn the first step of coding, and it's how to print or write Hello World. Obviously this video is in Java if it wasn't clear in the description, but you can kind of follow almost the same step for other programming languages. If you are using Java, however, I recommend this program or this software, IntelliJ IDEA Community version. It is completely free and you do not need to pay for the $200 version, which is called Ultimate. I will post the link in the description. First thing first, let's create a new project. We're gonna name our project Hello World Coders, the name of this channel. IntelliJ JDK 22, that's fine. Let's maximize this page. Having a problem, set up JDK, SDK, I mean. Let's just download it. There we go. That should work. Anyway, is this snooze? Yes. Let's just delete the main class. I don't really like to pay attention to this one, just because it's not necessary for us. Under the source folder or SRC, you're gonna right click, new, Java class, and we're gonna name our first class Hello World. And then class, you can press enter, but I'm just clicking everything. Right now we're in the public class called Hello World. However, we also need the main class. With IntelliJ, you can just type main and then tab, at least on the Windows, whatever tab version is on the Mac, and it will automatically create your public static void main string args for you. If you're not sure how to do that, I do recommend typing it out a couple times. It will help you practice and remember, but I don't need to. I'm all about efficiency. So, yeah. First thing first, how to print it out. You can type system, that out, that print, open parentheses, quotation, I guess they call, hello world. That's all it is. That's your first line of coding. If you got that far, you're a coder. You can obviously right click with IntelliJ and then click run hello world, and then it should appear at the bottom any second right here, hello world. Perfect. However, the main thing you need to know is, let me use 2 backspace. That allows me to leave a comment which doesn't affect your coding. When you use the print statement, the next print statement will be on the same line. Okay, so you don't actually want to use print statement all the time. That's not something I recommend. So print will print next statement and the same line. However, there's another thing that you can use, which is what I like to use, which is system that out that print ln. To me, that just works better. You don't need to worry about print. And then we're just gonna type hello world. Let's leave some space in front, and you guys are gonna see why soon. Actually, no, let's not leave any space. Let's just leave it like this and run. You're gonna notice hello world is gonna print right next, but it's stuck. You see, because of this print right here. This line of code print mean that by using print, the next print statement or the next, yeah, that's kind of weird. I wrote it. Print will print next statement in the same line. Yeah, it will print on the same line. We can obviously just put a space right here in front of hello, and it will create a space right here. There's no reason for that. By using print ln, it automatically goes to the next line for you. So you can always type this, and I'm going to teach you guys a trick really. You can open quotation hello dot SOUT right here. Boom. It automatically creates the print line for you by clicking tab. World SOUT also create the next print line for you. So that's a quick way for you to learn how to code. If you're running a lot of lines, that's a time saver, right? So based on this, hello should be printed underneath this, and underneath hello is going to be another word, which is going to be world. You see, hello world. That is it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please let me know. That was you watching your first video for coding, and you're officially a coder. If you have any question, also leave it in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you. And even if I'm not able to help you, I'm sure there's a lot of other people in the community that'll be able to answer the question for you. If you like it, I'll be posting more video once every 2 days on my Emacs. I'm thinking about 3 to 4 videos a week as we learn more and more basic way to code. With that, goodbye and have a great day, y'all.